welcome back to my channel. So I have the girls with me today and we are gonna just do a laid back video. We got Tucker's BarkBox in the mail. Kinsley can see herself in the monitor over here, so if you see her making faces, that's what she's looking at. So yeah, we got Tucker's BarkBox in the mail and they are very, very excited to get this open for him and see what he got. This is only our second BarkBox that we have received. We got the December box and it had a bunch of Christmas stuff in it and it was really cute. He has really been enjoying those things and I'm really excited. I've wanted to sign him up for this for quite some time. So that being said, I did sign him up for this all on my own. I spent my own money. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. However, BarkBox, if you want to sponsor me, I would love that because Tucker really, really loves your boxes and I really love it as a doggy mama as well. So we're just going to go ahead and open this thing up and see what he got. Okay, are you excited? Are you excited to see what you got in your box? Are you excited to see what you got in your box? First thing is these winter chicken dinner chicken dog snacks. And he is wanting one, so I'm going to go ahead and give him one. Yes, I see. You're so excited, you're doing. Oh my, there you go. Really like about their treats is they're all like healthier. Like this is made in the USA, wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free. So it's just a healthier, they're healthier options. They have a lot of organic stuff that comes in them and I like that. Looks like we got some more treats. Lady Quackaline's Garden. And I have a band-aid on my finger because I cut it. Oh, hello. So I can already tell this has like a royal theme to it. So these are duck and berry dog snacks made in the USA. So we'll try some of those in a minute, buddy. And then this is so funny. We just got him a dragon at PetSmart today. And this is another little, come here, come here, come here. So this is a little, what's it? It's like Grimble the Dragon. Grimble the Dragon. I think I'm reading that right. Oh, this is so cute. What are these called? It's the fluffiest flail. You can see he wants it. Come back here, buddy. Come back here. Oh, you're so excited. Here. You want this too? Is that your toy too? Here, let me take the tag off and you can have it.
Here, let me take the tag off and you can have it.
Sorry. Here. The next thing is this Deer Recipe Crunchy 7-inch Casual Chew. So this is just like a jerky treat, like almost like a rawhide it feels like. And then they have this little insert here and it is, oh, it's not an insert, it's actually a crown. So you can, let's see. So it's a crown that you rip out. Let's see if I can do it. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, I got you a crown. Come here. Come here. Be still, sit still. Sit still. Sit, smell, see, look, sit still. It's not staying put. Stay put. You stay put. Why isn't it staying there? We might have to get Scotch tape and tape it.
Like Mr. King. Tucker.
You're the king. Sit still. Sit still. Sit still. Sit still.
Tucker.
Alright. So that was everything in his BarkBox this time. They usually come with like 2 to 3 toys and a couple of things of treats. And he is having a blast. He doesn't even want to be on camera because he is over there playing and having a great time. So he loves the BarkBox. I love the BarkBox. I don't know. I mean, obviously he can't look forward to it, but we look really forward to it because we know he's going to have such a good time with everything. And I really enjoy seeing him with his new toys. So if you have been thinking about getting the BarkBox, I would definitely give it a try. I will have a link in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. There, you can customize it to your dog and how many dogs you have and their size and that sort of thing. And I believe you can customize like how often it comes or something like that. But there are different options for sure. I can't remember for sure when I went on the website, but they definitely have different options. So like I picked that I had a smaller dog, so they give him smaller toys and smaller treats and things like that.
Yeah.
Bye. No.